Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Midea portable air conditioner flashing AP, Wi-Fi connection and pairing mode guide. Fix 1 is connect the AC to Wi-Fi. Download the Midea Air or smartphone app. Then turn on the air conditioner. Open the app and sign in. Tap add device, then choose your air conditioner. Connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Finish the setup. Check if the AP message disappear. Second one is put the AC back in pairing mode. Turn on the air conditioner, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release the button when AP starts flashing. Try connecting the AC in the app again. Third one is use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Make sure the router has 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi turned on. Connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz network, then open the app. Try setting up the AC again. Fourth one is restart the air conditioner. Turn off the air conditioner, then unplug it from the power outlet. Wait 5 minutes. Plug it back in, turn it on and check the display. Fifth one is restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the router, then wait 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the router back in, then wait until the internet is working. Try connecting the AC again. Thanks for watching.